Guys, I live in a soap opera.
I have to drink water that I won't cry.
A refill of tears.
At bago natin away-awayin ang ating asawa, mag-harvest muna tayo ng salad kasi palagi na lang siyang busy. So magpapansin na lang ako at awayin natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang reaksyon ni Mr. Pag-usapan muna natin itong ating garden Itong aking salad is, nagpasalamat ako hindi sila kinakain ng mga uod kasi ang daming uod guys, grabe. Pero ang kinakain ng green na uod na yan is ang aking pinakamamahal na broccoli rub. Yung nakikita ninyong green, as in, ang daming uod. Nakikita ko talaga. So, kinain talaga sila. At buti na lang itong ating romaine lettuce, hindi kinakain at kaya pa. At ang healthy guys. Fresh na fresh. Organic na organic. Sayang lang yung ating broccoli rub kasi excited ako guys. First time ko sana itong nagtanim ng broccoli rub pero kinain lahat. Kawawa naman. At yun na nga, pumasok na nga ako guys. At iniisa-isa ko talaga yung dahon. Isa-isa, hinahaplos-haplos ko, nililinis ko to make sure na walang uod, walang bugs, walang kahit anik-anik na nakadikit dyan. At matagal din natapos dahil ang dami nga, diba? So ngayon ito na siya at kinamay ko na kasi malinis naman yung kamay ko, no? Ilang minuto, isang oras ata yun na naka sa tubig dahil sa paglilinis ng ating salad. At ang ginawa ko dito is nagcut lang ako ng onion, celery at nag-slice ako ng ating carrots para naman hindi siya, yung parang sinishred ko siya para hindi siya thin at matigas. Good for tummy kasi alam nyo na. So yun yung salad natin.
There's one with a red face too. He's like very red face.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's cute. So, relaxing kami dito, guys. Instead of Tommy talking to me, you know what he does? He talked on the phone for 2 hours. Yeah. And then now he's chatting with him and then not talking to me. Listen. He is so loud. Hey, there's a lot of
So
hummingbirds.
there's got to be 3 because neither one of these 2 was red. And they were both there together. So there's got to be at least 3.
It's gonna be a lot. And the summer? God bless you, love. Nag-itake na naman si Tamis, allergy.
Well, that's why I made I made new ones so I can put in there so tomorrow they have food. Because otherwise they'll run out. So I figured tonight I'll let them keep drinking it tonight. Later I'll switch it. Oh, no, I don't blow my nose.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. I made a salad. Hala, and we leave, honey, and we forgot the window. Oh my goodness. We leave the house and we forgot the window to close it. Dimps, why you don't tell me? Why? Why, Dimp, why? Why did you Dimp, forget. When the person doesn't love you and doesn't wanna talk to you, then I won't talk. Sa totoong buhay, ganito po talaga ako. Kapag hindi na ako napansin at palagi nang busy, magpapansin ako at away-awayin ko kasi makikita ko talaga yung reaction na matawa ka na lang. Kaya wala kaming away na sobrang grabe dahil po yung reaction niya is matawa ka na lang. You don't love me.
Something wrong with you, huh?
You cannot even spend time with me.
You should be a good girl. Okay.
I don't know why you're with
Can't
me.
give nothing then. What?
Why
you
you
really go out of your way to break my chops?
Why you with me, honey, if you don't love me? That's my question.
I love you, but you are a ball breaker. A ball breaker.
What ball? You don't have a ball.
You broke them all.
You don't have a ball. That's the problem. Why she eat now?
Because she wants them.
You're right.
What do you think?
Lonely table just for one.
What's your suggestion? You can eat some more.
Lonely table just for one.
You can eat some more. Come on. You good girl. Eat some more. I'll give you something.
Pabisi-bisi itong si Mr. sa mga anak niya, kaloka. She understands. She know why. She's just being a
I
scotch.
know why too.
Whatever.
Huh? I keep my deal.
Keep your deal. You shall not even deal with me. You don't buy me underwear, no bra. My bra is ripped, lost thread. My underwear is granny sizes. Why are you laughing?
You'll grow into them.
Thank you, honey. You told me I'm fat. I know. It's really insulting. Okay, I will take it. I'll take it.
I said you'll grow into them.
That means I growing and then everything. Hun? At least my husband telling me the truth. That's why he doesn't look at me. Don't talk to me. Break my heart. It really does makes me wanna cry.
Guys, I live in a soap opera.
I have to drink water that I won't cry.
I'll refill the tears.
I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm going to kick your ass later. Believe me, you will be kicked. Let me smack you. Eat that salad because I wash it one by one. One by one, and I make sure everything is
It's gonna
clean.
be very clean.
You know what, hon? Ah.
Mm.
Are you eating the salad from the garden?
Yep.
What you're dressing?
You need to cut it.
I did. Excuse me, I did cut it, honey. What is your dressing? You're making the big one. Han, I cut it, Han. Did you see? Is it whole leaves? I cut it.
Huh?
Okay, what is your dressing now? You want me to get a different dressing? You sure?
Oil and vinegar.
How do you like the...
Sometimes I'll make Caesar with it.
Do you want Caesar?
No.
Okay. How do you like the shredded carrots? Or shred it like that it won't be like hard. You know I love you so much, right?
You know I love you, but you keep telling me I don't.
You know what? What did you say? Loud.
I said, you know I love you, but you keep telling me I don't. You want some garlic powder? You gonna have salad?
No, why you put garlic powder? That's weird. You never do that.
When I make a salad, I dress it, I do. So, yeah, why?
At yun lang mga loves, no, masaya naman ako kasi talagang kapag ano talaga yung mood nating mga asawa, no, kapag mayroon talaga tayong dugo, iwan ko na lang ito. O hindi talaga sila makataka sa mga kalukuhan ng babae. Ako lang ba itong ganito? Kilala ko na kasi yung asawa ko, so kaya okay lang ganito. Pero bago pa kayo, wag niyong ganyanin yung asawa niyo ha, kapag hindi talaga ninyo totally kilala kasi talagang maiwan kayo. Pag matagal na kayo, mga ilang years na, 10 years, like us, 15 years, so kilala mo na yung isa't isa. So, alam mo na kung ano mga limitation, no? Pero anyway, dito ako sa garden kasi kailangan lang natin kunin yung ating mga gulay na sayang talaga siya kasi nga maraming uod. Thank you guys sa panonood.